Myntri Tnat Pule Puthi Rukom ia sangma ula penbena ban Wanrah da ka roster system ban pendap ya palat praspa teli ki kam balai teli haki school higher education hakawat ka benengkong an sathung kam saus pa ngut da ki jingthmu ban kentiu ya ka Rukom ai jing hikai ha jela nolor kani an sakan thop lang ya ki QR code haki kot puli khnang ban penla iki khenna ban yo i ya ki dorki ba batai benia halor ki subject ba pher kani ka jing kan yarap khamtam yaki tu ki khna ki bom don lat ban tuition da ka babujli yaki Rukom hikai da ki ko digital ban penla iki khna ban yo kalat ban sha hikai khambha ban pentikna baki khna ki don yaki tiar kitar baki dan kam ban job ha jing puli jengki
all the recruitment in the government institutions, be in the People's College, be in the deficit colleges, and all the institutions aided by the government, the roster, district roster will apply from now on. All the students across the state, especially in the rural, where we don't have a good teachers, where we don't have a tuition opportunity, it will really benefit our students. So we are coming up with the ideas that QR code, the video content that is specific for all the syllabus and every topics, every question paper.